Open the template which is attached to your email. It should look like this. This is our scrapbook page collection. Scroll it down to check either you have a complete series of papers. We have 7 number of pages here. Change the title of your album. Summer models. You can write here anything here. Subtitles, which is the photographer name, or you can write your own name. To change the pictures, select it by clicking left button, right click it, go to change picture. From the list, browse your image, insert. There you go. Scroll it down. You can always negotiate or change this background if you want. Just click here, right click, go to change pictures and all. Let's go to the next page. This is my heading. You can add some description about the pictures here. Right click to change the picture, right click, change picture, browse for your image and insert. Here I will be typing night shoot, or you can write here anything here. Here change, if you want to keep this image you can keep, or if you want just right click, add some your gorgeous images here, just like there I got the rose in around. See the picture with the contrast. And what do you think I write here? Let's go for love is in the air. You can write your any captions here. Scroll it down. This is your third page, and most probably this is my posters. I'll be changing it. Right click, I'll go to change picture. Same thing again, same thing. The one we did earlier. Choose for the perfect one. I guess this is my image. Here again, right click, change picture. Make sure to write the headings and descriptions for every picture. Right click again, go to change picture. The process is same actually, but simple, choose the image of your choice and then insert it. There it is. Make sure to edit the headings as well. Once you're done inserting your photographs, just scroll it up, and you want to export it, go to file, save as, and make sure the format in a PDF. That will export the file in PDF. Name of your work, choose the destination. In my case I'm choosing desktop, and then export. And here it is. Open up. See the gorgeous image you have created. Your top model, the second page, third with the scrapbooks and all. There it is. And now you can simply print it